The Lexus S builds upon the updates for the 2022 model year. It receives an updated multimedia system, said to provide faster response, more intuitive operation, and access to more functions. It also comes with cloud-based navigation, improved recognition of voice commands, and wireless Apple CarPlay. Unfortunately, Android smartphone users will have to make do with a wired connection. The 2023 Lexus S also gets a revised center console. Gone were the days of the touchpad, now replaced with a pair of cup holders. The wireless charging tray is now outside of the console box as well, while USB-A and USB-C ports are made available. There is also a new Ammonite Sand interior color option. Meanwhile, a new SF Sport design trim has been made available for Europe, which features a set of 19-inch wheels, 10 exterior color options, 4 interior options, and F Sport design badges near the fenders. The production of the 2023 Lexus S will begin in August. We've contacted Lexus USA to check if these updates will arrive in the US. We'll update this story once we hear back from the company.